Alright people, today we are working on this 2017 BMW 440i Xi, and here I have the head off of the engine. This is my third part video of the B58 engine and the tear down of the problem for cylinder number 6 misfire. And I just pulled out the piston number 6. I pulled it out already, and I had found a lot of little pieces a lot of little pieces in this engine here that I'm gonna have to take apart the whole engine just to make sure everything is out. So basically what we're looking at here is piston rings. So we got all the piston rings and the oil ring broken. Chunks of the piston itself is broken. You can see the piston there. Got a big piece missing out of it, out of the side there. Luckily the piston itself, the cylinder, is not damaged. The engine is pretty clean still, no scrapes. That confirms the misfire in number 6, because like I said on my previous videos, this engine here, this car came from a shop in Miami, and they replaced the cylinder number 6 injectors and also the spark plugs, and that didn't fix the problem. They said they did a compression check on it and it was good. I don't know how, but with the piston looking like that, I really doubt the compression was good on the engine. But anyway, I got it. I did a swap around of the injectors also. Since they did the compression check, I didn't mess with it, so I just swapped the injectors and the coils and plugs and see what happened. It was still misfiring. I did a valve lift relearn, that didn't help. So I noticed the timing was off, and I decided to do a compression check, leak down check, and found out that the engine had a very big leak on number 6. So I basically had to take the engine out of the car, which, as you can see here, the engine is completely gone out of the car now. And also along with the transmission is down on the bottom there, took it out. And here we have the engine here. So just making a short small video of what the problem was for this particular engine. And I will be replacing the piston, the rings, also the head bolts, the head gasket, oil pan gasket, and everything else that goes along with this job. So it's not really a small job, I can say, and it did take a lot of hours for fixing and diagnosing for a car with 15,000 miles. You would not think that the engine is damaged with 15,000 miles, but turned out this one was damaged, and needed either a whole new engine, which it was going to get with more mileage, or just rebuild this one here, and that was a better option. So I stripped it apart, and I'm going to be rebuilding it, and I'll make another video when I get this car running and started again. And give me a like and a subscribe, people, and I will see you guys on the next video.